Alright guys, so I'm here at the shop with Angel. Actually, he started tearing apart a lot of the interior. I'm helping to get the rest of it out so we can get it all cleaned up and get rid of all this nasty mold and stuff everywhere, you know. So, yeah, the seats are horrible, the dash is horrible, everything's horrible. So literally any piece of interior I'm gonna try and get out of this thing, and we're gonna clean it up. So we're gonna go ahead and finish stripping this out. Alright guys, so this is pretty much all done here. We're just gonna, well, Angel's gonna vacuum it all out, and then we'll get to cleaning and wiping all this shit down. And I know what I'm gonna do with the seats. Probably gonna end up going to a junkyard and try and grab a set of seats for it, just because I don't want to deal with this nastiness. I did find some S2K, or they're EP3 seats, I think, right? That I sent you? Yeah, a set of EP3 seats. I'm not sure if they bolt up or if I can use the brackets off of my stock seats, but they only want like $100 for them, and they're pretty nice seats. So I'm gonna message the guy, and if he has them, I'll go pick those up for it. So yeah, let's get it clean. Alright guys, so been vacuumed and everything, and then here we have this like OxiClean scrub thing that we're using on the carpet, and then some Meguiar's, right? Meguiar's spray, detail interior spray stuff for the inside stuff. So it's gonna be time to retire the steering wheel and everything soon. So slowly but surely she's getting there. This is disgusting. But she'll get there. What? Little by little. Alright guys, so the cord is back in the garage, or the shop, whatever. Me and Angel are gonna run up to the junkyard now and look for a few things for the cord and a couple things for the X10. So, get you guys out of the junkyard. Alright guys, so we made it to the junkyard. Got this nice little Miata here, you know. Found a couple of cords and stuff. There's one right here. And then there was an Integra that we found that has some nice seats in it. I was gonna probably pick those up, but then one has a little rip in it, so I don't know. We're just gonna keep looking around, see what we can find. We've gone to like 3 junkyards. Oh, there's a CG over here, the black one right there. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can find. Yo. So yeah, we're gonna keep looking around, and I'll update you guys as we go. These seats are in that black CG you guys just saw. They're a little dirty too, but mine's like broken here as well. Like there's a piece of metal here that digs into your back. We're trying to find the climate shit because Angel wants AC. Yeah. Don't mind my voice squeaking, guys. My throat's still killing me. But if he wants AC in it, he's gonna have to pay to get it working. Right? Right. Because I want to gut the car, but can't be gutted quite yet, which is alright. I'm not worried about it. My boy needs a car. We're gonna look out for him because that's what we do. Mira. And this? Oh, they already took it off. I need this plate, guys, down here. And they already took it off of the starter body. So we're just gonna keep looking around, see what we can find. Alright guys, as you can see, we're back at the shop. We couldn't find anything that we wanted at the junkyard, which is really annoying. We went to like 5 different junkyards or whatever. Like, it's 4, I don't know, a few junkyards, and yeah, I really want to get seats for the Accord. You know what I did forget to do that I told you guys I was gonna do? Message that guy that had those EP3 SI seats. So I'm actually gonna do that right now and see if he has them. If so, I'll pick them up either tonight or tomorrow. So we're just cleaning up a little more in this, and then we're gonna put the hood on it. And Angel's gonna drive the thing home right today. Yeah. And Angel's gonna drive it home today, and then that'll be this one. And then probably, hopefully, the next video after this one will be some work on the S10. I really want to get some work going on this. I want to get the rest of the glass out of it, like I was saying in the previous video. And I want to clean all this out in here. I want to get the rest of this stuff out inside, clean out the bed, figure out what I'm keeping, what I'm trashing, and we're gonna move the truck over some and start cracking on stuff on this truck. So stay tuned for S10 stuff, because that's gonna be coming soon. But let's get this interior cleaned and the hood on this car. Alright guys, so we got the hood on. Back seats are in, as you can see. Letting this dry a little bit. This seat here's cleaned up. It's just drying up a little bit. And then we got this horrible looking one too, dude. That shit is disgusting, bro. But yeah, she's getting there. We got the hood lift back on it. That baby looking right, you know. And you know, we don't need bumpers around here, so. God, this car's so fucking ugly. Guys, I love my Accord, don't get me wrong. But I think the 2 doors are hideous. And then my car is so dirty. It looks like shit. So, don't worry. We'll get it right. Angel's gonna be doing body work on it and painting it, because that's his thing. He likes doing that kind of shit. So I'll deal with the vroom and he'll deal with the bling bling, you know. So gonna throw the seat in it while he's cleaning the other seat. Then we're gonna get out of here because I'm tired. Alright guys, well Angel's gonna finish this up. I'm gonna head out of here so I can go home and edit today's video. And he's gonna take a few clips with his phone. He'll send it to me and then we'll add them into this. So, catch you guys at the house. You know, baby, gotta get washed. Been sitting too long without being washed. And then of course, Angel's don't like dirty cars, so. I bet that shit was haunting him in his nightmare how dirty the car was. God, this thing. Yeah. Car's looking beautiful, beautiful. Hey, y'all better smash that like button because we've freaking been uploading a lot lately for you guys. You know? Well, for us, you know, we a team. But I told you, shit's happening with the Accord. So stay tuned for the next video because the next video should be about the S10. So I know a lot of people watch these videos and stuff for the S10 too. So we're gonna get this baby cleaned up. Woo. She looks good wet. Yes, you do. We definitely got to get a bumper for it. We already found a couple at Junkyard, so we're probably gonna snag one of those. Tail lights, just need that corner one. Obviously, you know, I got these. So then we're gonna attempt to try and fix this roll crap here. Either we're gonna like heat it up and try and like with a rubber mallet or something, try and bend it more back and then give it a nicer of a roll. Yeah, clean up the fenders. Angel wants to start doing body work on it soon. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Things are gonna be happening to it. I want to definitely go 5-lug ASAP because these drum brakes suck. But yeah, it's all cleaned out, all back together. Look at that, y'all. Water's getting inside the car. You know how it goes. You guys remember that. So yeah, little by little, she's getting there, y'all. Soon we're gonna be doing the alignment on it, and after the alignment, we'll be going and getting a dyno tune. And baby Angel throw some balls and want to run it down the track when I do. We'll see. I'm gonna help him out. Alright guys, with the Accord is back at the shop, all cleaned up. Where is this it? No, it's somewhere. I don't know what Angel did with it, but it's got like an detailer stuff for black paint. Where's it at? I think it's right here. This stuff here is called Jet Black from Turtle Wax. It's really good. It's supposed to help with black painted cars, like bring out the shine back into the black. We bought that a long time ago for the car. We did a couple spots and it came out really good. But we'll go ahead and do the whole car in this. I'm not gonna record that, but I'll do like a before and after kind of thing, you know, on a certain spot. Like I don't know if you guys can see here. It's hard to see, but it's really dull, the paint, you know. On camera it looks really good. It really does. But in person, the paint on this car is horrible. And a lot of people said that too, like, oh my god, you know, car shines after I wash and all this and stuff. It's only on camera, I promise you. In person, that paint is so dull, like it's gross. But Angel's gonna hook it up, take care of it, because that's a homie. And yeah, so I'll show you guys an after when it's done. Man, this shit look good actually. Alright guys, so here's the quarter. You can actually see a reflection in it. Like I can see Angel right there. He looks like he's fat as shit in it. But see if we can get you a comparison. I can't really fucking get a comparison, damn. But
maybe from this side.
You can kind of see it right here. See here where it's really dull looking, and then here's got more of a shine, and you can actually feel the difference in the roughness here and more smooth here. I definitely think what will make this paint look better, which to me is not too much of a big deal because I think the paint on this car is crap already, is probably do that to the whole car and then clay bar it. But alright guys, sorry the camera died. I don't know how much you guys got, so I'm just gonna repeat a lot of it. We are gonna be sanding the core down eventually, priming it, leaving a primer for a little bit. We're gonna buy an air compressor and everything, and we're gonna learn how to paint on the firewall of the S10, little trims of it. Like I wanna do the firewall, and I wanna spray the whole interior of the truck. So Angel has a gist of how to paint and everything. He's done it, you know, before. So I don't know how to paint, but I don't care to learn, you know? That's what this channel is about, learning things and getting outside of your comfort zone, you know what I mean? And learning different things, you know? Like with the JZ, I've never rebuilt a JZ or taken the JZ apart. Granted, this one's taken apart because people don't know how to be patient. But now, you know, I'm gonna learn something, how to put a JZ together in hundreds of pieces. But the Accord, you know, like we learning things, you know. The S10 is gonna be a full drift build, you know. We're learning things, and I hope you guys are happy for that, and I hope you guys can learn stuff as well as we're learning things, you know. And that's all this channel is about, is going past your comfort zone and proving people you can do things that people say you can't do, you know. Just because, why not? Like, no one should tell you what you can and cannot do in your life is what I'm trying to say. If you want to do something, fight for it, push for your goal, and it will happen. I have all of these cars and everything, not because I'm rich, because I'm broke. Because I prove not only to myself, but to other people that I can do what I put my mind to. And I have a nice Cadillac, you know. Granted, you know, she has little issues, you know. I'm paying a buttload of money for it, you know. We have the S10, we have the Accord, you know. So, and then this other project that's gonna be coming to the channel soon, that's gonna get the JZ in it. So, you know, it's not about how much money you have, it's how you budget your money and how you maintain your money. So, that's all I'm trying to say, guys. I hope everybody out there can learn a little bit from my channel and we all can grow together. But like I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff set up in the next video. We're gonna pull the rest of the window out. I'm gonna clean this all out and finish gutting it. So let me show you the progress on this. Angel's pretty much got this whole side done. So, and isn't the more you do it, the shinier it gets or something like that?
Somewhat.
So
yeah, put a lot of pressure.
Yeah, but it'll look a lot better, guys. So I'll show you guys the end result on all this when it's done. Well guys, the Accord is all done. So like I said, still we gotta do is camber kit's gotta be put on. We gotta do the alignment at that point, and then we can get it dyno tuned. We gotta lower the rear of the car. I don't know, we gotta throw new plugs in it. So I want to get new headlights because these ones, the eBay shit, didn't last too long apparently. And then we'll start doing bodywork, paint, and stuff like that on it. But the Accord comeback is coming. So the head I have at the house, what we're gonna end up doing is I'm gonna get that head built, and then we'll throw it on this block, since this block pretty much has the bearings and everything in it. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button because we're getting things done on this Accord. And then Angel, send it with a two-step. Y'all better smash that like button. Shit's going down. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.